Hello beautiful people, my name is Ojulewa and welcome to my channel. Today we're putting you through how you can wear your ready to wear gele. Ready to wear gele now is in vogue, and the beautiful thing about the ready to wear gele is very flexible. You have different colors that you can wear at different times. It's already ready, just like the name, ready to wear gele. And it's the fact that you don't waste time. It's ready, you just wear it and you're good to go. It's affordable and they're all unique and very classy. And it's not too much dramatic, and like they say, less is more. Like today I'll be putting you through on this particular ready to wear gele. This is silver. All you have to do is for you to wear it from the back. It has an adjustable strap at the back, you can see it. Just put it on from the front, then you take it to the back and clip, and you're good to go. Adjust it. Can you see? In less than 1 minute your gele is ready. You don't have to delay your husband, your boyfriend. You are going out, your friends are already waiting for you. Just wear it and you step out in style, and you also stand out from the crowd. This is a silver. I also have another color which I can wear. Can you see? When I remove it, all I have to do, put it in the case. This is my case. I put it in there and I keep it. It can last for several years. This is another color. That's the adjustable strap at the back. I put it from the front, take it to the back, then you clip it, and I'm ready to go. I have it in black. This is iconic ready to wear gele. I have it in black. Let me show you the black. This is the black pleated ready to wear gele. It has the adjustable elastic at the back. You could just fasten it. You know, people have different edge shapes. This is the front. I'm going to put it from the front, then take it to the back. Adjust it. Push it to the back a little. Make sure your ears are in. Pull it up. We have it at affordable price. You can order yours, and I'm good to go. Thank you. Kindly remember to subscribe to our station. The link is below. Subscribe so you can get new regular updates, exciting, new trendy things when it comes to makeup, different gele styles. Thank you.